Flashcard making
This
process.
is how I make my flashcards. First, ipiprint ko siya and then ima-manual cutting, then ilalagay ko na siya dun sa laminating machine. The laminating machine is 65 mm only para hindi na ako magka-cut. And then, laminate na siya. After that, bubutasan ng puncher and lalagyan ng ring. So, yun lang. Tapos na yung flashcards natin after. Thank you!